Understanding demand pull inflation, why your wallet feels lighter. Ever wonder why your grocery bill seems to climb higher every week? It might be due to something called demand pull inflation. Let's dive into what that means and how it affects you. Demand pull inflation happens when there's more money chasing fewer goods and services. Think of it like a popular concert where everyone wants a ticket, but there aren't enough to go around. Prices go up. This type of inflation is often a sign of a healthy, growing economy. However, unchecked, it can lead to problems. When demand pull inflation kicks in, your purchasing power decreases. That means your hard-earned money doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Businesses also face challenges. They might need to increase wages to keep employees, further driving up prices. This can create a vicious cycle that's tough to break. Everyone feels the pinch, from consumers to large corporations. Several factors can contribute to demand pull inflation. Increased consumer spending is a big one. When people feel confident about the economy, they tend to spend more. Government policies, like tax cuts or increased spending, can also boost demand. This puts more money into the economy. Strong economic growth is another factor. As the economy expands, people have more jobs and more money to spend. Here's the crucial point. Demand pull inflation can create a self-perpetuating cycle. As prices rise, workers demand higher wages to maintain their standard of living. Businesses then raise prices to cover those higher labor costs. This leads to even higher prices, and the cycle continues. Understanding this cycle is key to understanding the long-term implications of demand pull inflation. It's not just a short-term price hike, it can reshape the economy. Demand pull inflation occurs when demand outstrips supply, leading to rising prices. This can be fueled by consumer spending, government policies, and economic growth. The resulting cycle of rising prices and wages can have significant long-term effects. Staying informed is the first step in navigating these economic shifts. What's your experience with inflation? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Want to learn more about economic trends and how they affect you? Check out our other videos for more insights and analysis. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update.